We can teach you all about them. And we also give them mental and physical stimulation because learning new things keeps you young and keeps you stimulated. So they're always learning new behaviors. And those behaviors are a combination of medical behaviors, so we can take good care of them, natural behaviors to be done on command, so you can learn about them, and just plain old fun behaviors just to keep things interesting. Now Callie is lying down flat and now moving around so that Rachel can check her rear flippers, check her tail, and if she's just doing an all-over exam of Callie right now, just to make sure there's no cuts, scrapes, abrasions, anything unusual. Now, if Rachel saw something unusual, what she would want to do is call a veterinarian down, let them come look right over her shoulders, and then they could prescribe whatever treatment might be necessary. Now you see how Rachel's touching her? That's very important because if you're trying to take good care of an animal, you need to be able to touch them. You need to be able to medicate them and do the hands-on things that would not be possible if we didn't train. As you can see, Callie would be happy to show off her teeth. Let Rachel get a good look at her mouth. We also train them to let us brush their teeth so that we can take good care of their mouths.
Yeah, they have fish breath.
And now she's looking at her eyes. Sometimes the animals need to have eye drops, so we want them trained to have us examining eyes and giving drops if necessary. Now look at that big, strong front flipper. That's how a sea lion gets around. They use those big front flippers to propel themselves through the water. It almost looks like they're flying when you're watching them through one of the underwater windows. Being sea lions, they also are able to rotate their rear flippers underneath their body and support their weight. So as you saw her give that little gallop across the